fill my coffee cup, I said, thank you, thank you. What if I looked at the day and the hours ahead, and before I moved forward I bowed my head and said, thank you, oh I said thank you. What if I looked at my life in a different way, took a little more time to stop and pray? I know it would change all the moments in between. So here I